Alrighty, we got ourselves another walkthrough today. We got a 2009 Phoenix Cruiser. This is a single slide unit, the 2551 model. It's about 26 feet overall on the 450 chassis with the V10 Triton. You can see 09 Phoenix Cruiser 2551, our stock number 12261. 19.5 tires on it. They are dated middle of 2018, so very good. Michelin tires too, nice and expensive. Now for an 09, this thing is, God, look at it, it's already 11 years old. The decals, they are starting to go, but for the age, they're really not too bad. I mean, older coaches happens quite often. You can see a little bit of fading on that one up there, but let me tell you, for 11 years old, it stands strong. Alrighty, right here, first compartment, a couple batteries. You get, and then that'll come out. You can see the Easy Glide, and you got another one up front under the hood. Nice little storage area there. Nice heavy duty plastic in there. 30 amp power service. Dual tires in the back. You got your regular exhaust. Back of the furnace. Back of the fridge. A couple connections. What is this? A little coaxial. And these should be power. There you go. Hey, look, 2-for-1 power cord special. Oh, look, a light. There's a nice light in here. So this is kind of cool. You got this storage compartment, then down below you got a, I don't know, like a cooler maybe? A little pull-out cooler. You fit a whole lot of beer in there, which is always nice. And this does lift up too. If for any reason you have trouble accessing this to pull out, you still need to get your beer, you can lift that up and grab it. Pretty cool little compartment. Now moving on into the back. You do have a ladder up, a backup camera, a little window, spare tire, of course a hitch down there with a 7-pin connector. Now this storage area is perfect for like a power cable you can put on those hooks. It's very shallow, I guess, because they're very narrow. You can see the tires over there, get the awning bar, but I think that's perfect for the power cord. And then your ladder will slide down, kind of plug into there, put the pins in, then boom, you're in business. Alrighty, trying to get out of this sun for you. There we go. There's the other side of the unit with that slide. I'll show you all the compartments. Now the previous owner did do a slight upgrade on this coach. See, you're probably wondering why that sewer hose is so small. Well, they got a macerator in there. Pretty much a garbage disposal for the black tank. A couple flushes, sewer flush, drain units, and then of course that macerator and that hose for it. Fuel fill's right there. Behind here, if I can get my nail. There we go. Got a water fill. Exterior shower right there. City water, drain. Propane tank in this one. A very small compartment for the propane and the generator. Really just a look at them. 12.2 gallon capacity on the propane. Power cable, like I said, 30 amp. Power cable, and then Ethernet. It's got the seals that are not shown completely on the windows, so you don't have to replace those as often, which is a nice plus. See down below we got your micro quiet Onan gen set. I'll show you the amount of hours once we jump inside and can actually go look. And then of course the exhaust for the gen. So that's the exterior. Let's jump inside and see what that has to offer. Got a WD-40 this step. Nice and squeaky. So we jump in. First thing I want to show you before we even look at the whole coach, got this entryway. Got a nice screen door that pops open. Now the previous owner did have a couple patches. I'm sure you're waiting for that. You just put some awning tape on there. I mean, it is fine. It doesn't look the best, but you know, something to point out. Alrighty, and then here's the overall just kind of look of it. I'll give you a more in-depth at, you know, at kind of every little area here. But first off, let's just jump up front. Grab these keys. Down below, got an auto leveling system, battery boost, and then if I could start this bad boy, it's gonna be tough to see the miles without it blinding anyone. There we go, 53,565. And honestly, up front, it's very basic. AC controls, got your kind of CD multimedia display, backup camera, a couple lights, that's about it. Whole lot of cup holders, storage down below. No glove box on the passenger side. Do these turn? Let's look. They do look like they turn, your seats. I mean, that being said, you got that little step down, so it's a little bit, you know, high knees, I guess you could say, when you're turned around. Nice little cab area. Now, this is considered a B+ RV because you don't have a bunk up here. You have an entertainment center. Now, this can be completely shut off. You can kind of give yourself a little bit of shade, run those all the way around. Nice little storage area there. Inverter, speakers, light, DVD player, storage for a Blu-ray player. Hey, a wrench. Blu-ray player, game console, local TV antenna. Another little storage area. Does that move? And then you got all your power connections, Ethernet, coaxial, all that good stuff for the TV, which was upgraded on this unit. 2009, so you got a nice little flat screen in here. Storage area for your remotes, super crucial. There's always a lot of remotes in an RV. Over here, a little bit of wear on this, some vinyl. I'm guessing they must have stored something in here because there's a couple areas messed up. Another speaker, and then we got your slide control, which that'll come in and out. You got your generator, which, check this out, 66.9 hours. That's insane. And then your bed. This actually, let me show you. You got a nice little center console here with free playing cards. Let's put that up and check out this bed. Oh, wrong button. There we go. So it's a trifold bed, but like a motorized trifold bed. So when it lays all the way flat, get yourself an additional sleeping area, and a hell of a lot easier to set up than any type of manual bed, like especially a pull-out. God, I hate pull-outs. So very nice little sleeping area. You know, it's not the most even bed, kind of like most couch beds, but a couple drinks and you'll never hurt that. And then put it right back into place. Now there's no storage below, but you do have a couple little holes for like a dinette table. And then up above, nice little storage area. These are all connected. Not very deep, but still better than nothing. Got your daytime and nighttime shades, kind of those dual shades all throughout the coach. Little couple side areas, coat hanger, a couple good little details. Those surround sound speakers throughout. Now you do have a leaf, battery disconnect down there if I didn't tell you that. You do have a leaf that pops up, but what's cool is you still have your Corian covers for your sink and for the stovetop. Here's the kitchen. So you got a little bit of storage above, microwave, no oven of course in this size, but your sink is really, it's not a bad size. Single sink, nice and deep though, and it does come with a sprayer. 2 Corian covers for your 2-burner stovetop. Storage down below. Oh, these are kind of cool. These go right here. Oh, actually, no, I'm sorry. Those go in a different area. I have to find them. To fill that, they do go right there. They're squares, so I was a little questionable about it. But anyway, you can kind of hide the holes. And that's actually for your Corian strap there. We got a decent amount of storage below, under the oven. Oh, that's kind of cool. You got like a sliding silverware cabinet. Oh, this is really cool. Pull-out drawers here. You got 2 of those and pull-out cutting board. Very fancy. Does have a hood. Kind of nice. Test your level there. Water hood light, hood fan. Yeah, that works. It all works. And then you got a convection microwave. I always find it funny when they put these things in here. They're so small. It's still a convection, will, you know, bake, I guess, if you want it to, but just a little bit smaller, unfortunately. And to the left of that microwave, another little small storage area. Other than that, for the kitchen, you got your refrigerator. Now this is a fridge. And it's a RV fridge, so it'll run off of propane, electric, plugged in, you name it, it'll work. Now what do you got down here? Control panel for some technicians. All right, now, kind of one of the coolest aspects of this coach is these dual twins back here. Complete walkthrough. Now, let's see, is there a way to, I've got to double check and see if there's a way to kind of like add a centerpiece to make it a one big sleeper. Doesn't look like it. That's good to know. But let's look at what we got. So left side, passenger side, twin bed, a couple storage above, big old window, little wardrobe here. Storage above, all connected here. Now if we turn around and look at the other side, you can see kind of a one storage down below. Get an angle. Nothing crazy, no slide out, but still better than nothing. See power cord down there, or power connection. Heat furnace, not a heat pump. I got the furnace on. It is cold here, and I'm actually starting to sweat. May need to turn that off. Coat hangers just everywhere in this coach. And a little storage above the driver's side. Bed, emergency exit window with those same shades. And then I think they added these little, kind of like little holders here, aftermarket. Mainly because they're not stained, but still additional storage. Great for remotes. Plastic sink, or toilet. Nice little deep oval sink with that same Corian detailing throughout. A little bit of storage to the right of the shower. And you do have a pocket door here that will, doesn't look like it, but it is actually a pocket door that slides shut. Kind of hard to show you while being in here, but you got it. Beautiful. Now, last thing you got in here, an additional wardrobe. I know you got those two up front, but it's just not enough. And there's a table and kind of stands for it with the light. So very cool. Storage above the toilet. Nothing too crazy. Perfect for toilet paper. More storage. Oh, look. Toothpaste, toothbrushes. And then finally, storage below the sink. So that's just about everything this coach has to offer. I really hope I gave you a good look at it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And let me know if there's any other RVs you want me to do walkthroughs of. Let's shut this. We got a quick look at the old exterior. Can you hear that step again? 2009 Phoenix Cruiser 2551 model. You know, like a dang knucklehead, I forgot to show you. Man. Your tank levels. So you can see that kind of red highlighted one for the 2551. If you want to see weights, you know, tank levels, heights, whatever it is, there's all that. You're welcome to pause it on. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope everyone has a great day.